First, we need to take note that there is not a linear funnel when it comes to B2B buying. Ideally, we want it to be step 1, step 2, step 3, but it's really messy and buyers tend to look back, stakeholders coming late, deals sometimes can stall and restart. These are some of the insights that organizations and thought leaders like HubSpot and Gartner share in their B2B frameworks. But even if the journey isn't linear, the math is still there. There are still 2-3 conversion moments that tell you whether demand is real or just noise. The first is consultation to qualified opportunity. So the truth filter. Are the right buyers showing up with real business pressure? The second is opportunity to, let's say, call it executive validation. So not just proposal. And when it comes to corporate training, if the business leader doesn't lean in, it's not real yet. So we need to identify who that is as soon as possible to assess the quality of the opportunity. Then the third is obviously when you're moving from proposal to close. That's where your value story and risk reduction will either hold or collapse. Now, when it comes to like healthy ranges in corporate training, these ones often look like 30 to 40% of consultations becoming true opportunities. There's also strong executive engagement in most qualified deals. And then 30-50% close rate once proposals are serious. Now, when those numbers drop, the worst move is to add more leads. That's how funnels get inflated. And when I say add more leads, it's like starting to get more top of the funnel, middle of the funnel offers just to get leads to sales when they're not ready. So instead, if consult to opportunity drops, it's really a time to triple down on your ICP and understanding of what that is today and review your qualification criteria. If executive validation drops, then this is the moment where it's important to go back to like fix that positioning and increase the clarity of the business case that you're making. And this goes for both. Marketing and sales should be aligned as the growth team to saying the same thing. And if close rate drops, then what needs to be fixing is like kind of the risk framing and financial alignment. So yes, the buyer journey isn't linear, but conversion will still tell the truth. So the goal isn't to defend a funnel diagram. It is really to measure movement and buying intent.